it's shaking and I snotted. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's move on. The recipe? Myth recipe. What's up guys, my name is Kat and I am the Liquor Fairy. Today is the third video for our 12 days of holiday cocktails. The first one was the pecan mimosa, the second one was the peppermint mocha martini, and today's drink is going to be a gingerbread shot. This is easily one of my favorite shots to drink being alone during this holiday season, especially if you're in quarantine, or if you want to take the shot with your family and friends for the celebrations to come this month. This would be a great option for that. The first part of the shot is going to be with the Captain Morgan gingerbread spice rum. So we're going to pour 1 ounce of this into our shaker. Then for the next and final ingredient in this easy shot is going to be 1 ounce of the rum chata. Then cap your shaker and mix the two together. And then just shake it up. Then take whatever shot glass you have available and pour it in. Then you can just dollop some Ready Whip over the top, or whipped cream, whatever you decide. It looks so easy. Okay, well, I tried. Let's fix that. Once you top it with the whipped cream, you can go ahead and sprinkle some cinnamon on top. I'm not good at sprinkling. And there you have it, a festive shot you can share with your friends, family, or drink by yourself during the holiday season. If you want to try this recipe or any of the others for the 12 days of holiday cocktails, go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the videos to come. Now chug. Can't take a shot with whipped cream on top. Don't recommend the whipped cream. Yeah.